Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about income tax. What is meant by tax accounting? Tax accounting refers to the methods and policies used for the preparation of tax returns and other statements needed for tax complaints. So, tax accounting is basically accounting for taxation purpose. We already discussed in the previous classes. Next, we are going to discuss about income tax in the accounting standard 12. Income tax consists two parts, current tax and deferred tax. As per accrual concept, income tax must be accrued in the accounting period in which income is earned. Similarly, tax benefit must be recorded in the accounting period in which expenses are incurred. However, tax payable is calculated in accordance with the applicable tax laws, that is Income Tax Act 1961. The applicable tax laws may calculate the taxable profit differently from that calculated as per Ind AS. The tax calculated as per tax laws of the country is known as current tax. To confirm the accrual concept, standard requires entities to create deferred tax. What is the objective of this? Objective is this standard is to prescribe accounting treatment for income tax. What is the scope? The standard must be applied to accounting for all income taxes, including domestic, foreign, and withholding taxes, as well as the income tax consequences of dividend payments. It does not apply to accounting for government grants, investment tax credit. However, in Indian Accounting Standard 12 does not apply to accounting for temporary differences that may arise from such grants or investment tax credit. Next, we are going to discuss about what is current tax and what is deferred tax. What is current tax? It is a tax which arises due to transactions and other events of the current period that are recognized in an entity's financial statement. What is deferred tax? It is a future tax consequence that arises due to the future recovery of the carrying amount of asset, settlement of carrying amount of the liabilities that are recognized in an entity's balance sheet. Next, we move to basic concept of current tax and deferred tax. There are six concepts of current tax and deferred tax. First one is accounting profit, next taxable profit or loss, tax expense that is income, deferred tax liabilities, deferred tax asset, temporary differences, taxable temporary differences and deductible temporary difference. First one is accounting profit. It means it is a profit or loss for a period before deducting tax expense. Next one is taxable profit or loss. It is a profit or loss for a period computed as per the Income Tax Act upon which income taxes are payable or recoverable. Third one is tax expense. That means it is an income. It is an aggregate amount included in the determination of profit or loss for the period in respect of current tax and deferred tax. Fourth one is deferred tax liabilities. These are the amount of income taxes payable in future periods in respect of taxable temporary differences. Fifth one is deferred tax asset. There are the amounts of income taxes recoverable in future period in respect of deductible amount, temporary differences, the carry forward of unused tax losses and the carry forward of unused tax credits. And the last one is temporary differences. Temporary differences means these are the differences between the carrying amount of an asset or liability in the balance sheet and its tax base. These temporary differences can be divided into two: taxable temporary differences and deductible temporary differences. What is taxable temporary differences? These are the temporary differences that will result in taxable amount in determining taxable profit of future periods when the carrying amount of an asset or liability is recovered or settled. What is deductible temporary differences? These are the temporary differences that will result in amounts that are deductible in determining tax profit or loss of future periods when the carrying amount of an asset or liability is recovered or settled. One more point is there, it is the tax base. The tax base of an asset or liability is the carrying amount to that asset or liability for the tax purpose. So today we discussed about the basic concept of current tax and deferred tax, that is accounting profit, taxable profit or loss, tax expense, deferred tax liabilities, deferred tax asset, temporary differences, taxable temporary differences and deductible temporary differences. Thank you.